my name is Joanna Drążkowska. I work at the Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich in Germany, and it's my pleasure to invite you for the next European Astrobiology Institute seminar, where I will discuss how the planet formation theory has been changing in the past couple of years. So the classical theory of planet formation developed in the second half of the 20th century, and it was entirely based on the architecture of our own solar system, which was, of course, at the time the only planetary system we knew existed. But now we know over 5,000 planets that are orbiting stars other than the Sun, and their architectures are often very different from the solar system. These discoveries, in connection with the improving observational capabilities, enable us to better understand the planet birth environment and triggered a significant revision of the planet formation theory. During my seminar, I will explain the biggest breakthroughs that took place in our understanding of planet formation, such as, for example, understanding the process of planetesimal formation and the emergence of the pebble accretion paradigm. So if you want to hear more about these topics, I invite you to join my seminar. I will be very happy to have you there.